Adjusting the Nitro Infuser is extremely easy and allows you to control the level of infusion in your Nitro coffee precisely. You want to set the shutoff valve to around 30% open to start. Pointing straight down is all the way open. Pointing sideways is closed. If your coffee is not infused with enough nitrogen, adjust your shutoff valve slightly down or in the open position and try another pour. If the coffee is over-infused or blowing foam, adjust the shutoff valve slightly to the closed position. Once you have reached your desired nitro infusion, you will no longer need to make these adjustments. Your draft system is now set up to pour the perfect and consistent cup of nitro coffee time and time again.